yɛda yɛho Yankopɔn ase dɛ yɛasan so yɛhyia ɛwɔ the truth dwumadi ɛde bio yɛda wase so dɛ ɛnya bɔ na atwa kopɔn hyɛ bebree yɛso adesua a ɔyɛ Matthew chapter 24 na yɛatwa adwene baabi si do dɛ Yesu Kristo nankasa ɔkasa ɛdɛ fa Matthew chapter 24 ho nkɔɔfo a wɔba ne nkyɛn ɛbɛbisa no no obisi na asɛm bisa ebie asɛm bisa ebie na obisa no obisa Jerusalem ɔsɛ ɛho asɛm bisa na obisa Yesu Kristo wiase na wie no so asɛm bisa nti Yesu Kristo nankasa ne nkyɛkyerɛ mu no ɔbɛkyerɛ ɛma ɔda ezi dɛ Jerusalem ɔsɛ na wɔwɔ abɛsɛ no ɛwɔ damabro no ɔhyɛ ase ɛwɔ verse number 4 Matthew chapter 24 verse number 4 na ɔde kɔ wie ɛwɔ verse number 35 ɛna wiase na wie yi no na wɔn adesua no so hyɛ ase ɛwɔ Matthew chapter 24 verse number 36 Yesu Kristo nankasa yɛ dam distinction no ɛwɔ hɔ ɛma ɔyɛ clear ɔno na yi guda yɛ kyerɛkyerɛ mu a yɛatwa adwene bɛsi dɛ preliminaries another dispensationalists ɛhwehwɛ akyerɛ dɛ dɛm nzɛmba na Yesu Kristo kan no onsi dɛm nzɛmba no nsi nti ɔkasa ɔde fa Yesu Kristo na wie yi no bere na ɔde bɛba final no na the truth yɛ twa adwene si de ɔnyɛ no kɔ the Yesu Kristo kan wɔ Matthew chapter 24 no paadi verse number 4 kasi 35 no de waba ɔno na yɛdze Bible nankasa no prove na yɛdze abokɔsɛm a ɔyɛ authentic yɛdze prove nti yɛsrɛ sɛ ebia baana ɛlehwɛ do ozikani a ehwɛ yi wi a bɔmmɔdze na kɔhwɛ do ozikan no hwɛ nsɛm bi a yɛde na ezi ewu na ntum na ɔmbɔ na nti ase no ɔnwie payɛ ɛfɔmɔ nti yɛbɔsɔ do ɛwɔ beebi a yɛduru yi yɛzikan yɛ abɛ abɔhwɛ verse number 1 ebesi verse number 11 no nti yɛbɔsɔ do ɛwɔ verse number 12 yɛkasa fa Matthew chapter 24 Matthew chapter 24 verse number 12 no na yɛhwɛ verse number 12 no so za okay as a phone 12 no say and because lawlessness will abound the love of many will grow cold 13 but he who endures to the end shall be saved and Bible no say ɔnam sɛ ɔbɔkɔde ne nsi ɔduru baabi a nimpa na bom ɛbɔgo ɔna bɛtwitwɛ sɛm a ɔbɛda ezi nkɔfo nkafa mbla yɛ adwuma nsi ɔbɛma nkɔfo wɔn abom ago ɔbɛma nkɔfo aboto na Bible bɔtwa adwene bɛsi no ɛwɔ verse number 13 ne de kosi iwiase na wie yi bɛpɔtɔ iwiase na wie yi na ɔnkasa mfa the end of the world no it's talking about Jerusalem destruction okasa fa Jerusalem ɔsɛe no ɛho ɔno nti modɔfo a modɔ ewuraze mu the truth yɛtwe wɔn adwene esi the madesua ɛdo ɔno nti yɛnhwɛ adesua kakra yɛwɔ ɛwɔ the madesua emu it would be extremely difficult for one to maintain his faith through such trying conditions or times na ɔbɛyɛ ɛwɔ nyimpa na blabom ɔnam dɛm ɛhaw na Yesu Kristo kan da ɔbɔto na kyizefo enti ɔbɛyɛ ɛhaw ɛne ahohiahia ɛne ahokyerɛ ama na kyizefo a wɔka no do sentin dɛ nkɔfo wɔn ma Kristofo no ɛmfo wɔn tɔtɔtɔ Kristofo no bɛfa ɛhaw ɛne ahohiahia ɛne ahokyerɛ emu enti Yesu Kristo nankasa ɛkan ɛwɔ Matthew chapter 13 verse number 20 and 21 Matthew chapter 13 verse number 20 and 21 20 say but he who received the seed on a stony places this is he who hears the word and immediately receives it with joy verse 21 yet he has no root in himself but endures only for a while. For when tribulation or persecution arises because of the word, immediately he stumbles. And yes, Christo, or ministry of the the ampa on the obu baby, until Benin Chim or what I be missing there. The Okoku or Bodono, another Bobadono. On them there, when ya intin, when ya Jaluba baby inti. On the Yen pa, Otse, on Yankupana Samana, or G and Nije ne and one help a Gidamasami too. Nam Emblisia be blow consumer. No, actually, I see a one master. And yes, Christo Ekadamasemi, a chin for Moon would a day. Although she won't ye or send the Yamasuna was soon on ye a greasy or ye how now may you know the book or your one chat. And then there, woo uncomshafu about who a software be one may would day, and the Yamasun Puddy or a simple Zebe Bialno, anyhow. Though here I there, add yes, Christo up to there, we rise and coupon, and see Ekazi, so for natural la. Nine no Kojaba. Said a minute, salvation, sir, and came back there. Or yaza, or ye azar, make Peter back a common, because sometimes the Bible use common salvation with different meaning. But make common and can be used in yet, meaning no Bible using. I tell you, yaza, Sabu, Yancy Bialin you. Ah, for Subialin you there. At one day, in the day, make for you, make riding in young Quaji, Abbott, Quincy. And yet, them know your company salvation in two. Yammy one preparing both your salvation. And what for I be there. Every comfort today, salvation. We are not work for salvation, but I bet you, Yakupon woman, Yeshia, our salvation. I will tell you, some places in our Bible moments I said we work for salvation. Oh, yes. We are the January James chapter 2. And to say, and ya but then your contest now, you cannot interpret the Bible. Always follow the context and deduce from the context. And the context no matter additional one I say. Because it's a yeah, Bible and Suma, about the Bible where you see works in New Testament 4 times in different contexts, in different meaning. And say one can there, and question on ye Juma, never today, Juma, Yakia, no, no problem. Paul, the Kelly, from Quajian, and could you wage one? And I'm not Philippine chapter 2, okay. Okay. And see, oh, Yakupan answered as who does it. The ampa. And Quaji, what a manamba. Chip number a wife, and there was only Yakupan answer a baby. Only see, yet you wife to do. The Oyakupan answer say, Old baby, on the Hawaii, Christopher community, Obama for phone a boom a go. Obama for a bottle. And see Paul. Ewo ni book wa ochowe ezikama Corinth asafono. Mecha 1 Corinthians chapter 7. Verse number 26 no. Oni Paul be belezi. Dampa onam ahawa no lokodo ewo Corinth nti. Sankobe ya ehwa da mabro no mpo no. Osusu de won wale no na nke wanti na ho no wonzi wonsi yo. Paul ebe ba twi da madwene ezibe besi na ma adusua edo. Now, I'm not going to say a 1 Corinthians chapter 7, verse number 26. Now, in fact, I say a crow. 1 Corinthians chapter 7, verse number 26. Are you born to a wife? Do not seek to be loose. Are you loose? And see, what my major verse number 26, 26 number penny for the 7 is it, and you want to become what's in there. 26. Distress. That is good for a man to remain as he is. On them is all called a word, the man bringing see and compare Beman internet to them or what's in a lot. No, I assume only for the woman there. On them, the man how one all called. That is the bottom line. I assume no better for it. It's a Paul who did then a whole called. Oh, Christian Suma brother was sending yes to the crack in the dado. Also, this is so didn't policy or maybe a piece of food more. No, I won't mogul. See them, my polica, please. Se Polycarp enya kokudu Yakopon afa ankodo to the otu ni jezi no odigu. Enta mpa na Paul obebutu enuanom na na wo Antioch nofo. Do hombo mazin na obuso jezi no eye. Hombo mazin do wotu na obuso jezi no emuye. The book of Hebrews reflects a glowing indifference and danger of falling away among the Christians in Jerusalem and Judea. And the book wa oya Hebrews, the book of Hebrews. Oba kise beble efa ashasa e Kristo furu botu mu ashase. And the oya hwododo. Do obi kwa tu mika no abeka ebisi de. So obi ye Kristo na on tu me fe Yakopon asem on hwase. So obi tu mika de masem ni pe on my Bible interpretation ko do be do ayedin. De obi ye Kristo na on tu me hwase wa be Kristo ni nti. When one is saved, it's always what? Saved. It is not true. Onye no ko Yakopon asem. Said everyone what am para dia. On the wall, why the Paul? Otu onuanu wo Philip fo. De wo fa awon kekanye wan kse won koju adwuma. So obi no to me hwase dia. I'm not find the ekaka. Oh, 1 Corinthians chapter 10. Verse number 12. Let's hear asem Yakopon eke. Na hwede. So obi wa Kristo ma on to me hwase. 1 Corinthians chapter 10. Verse number 12. 12 let's say, therefore, let him who thinks he stands take heed lest he fall. Osi inya oji no wuzi. Do oye Kristo ni a oji na ye no. Ontwe ye mo ahwase. Obed na ahwase. Obed na ahwase. Say ahwase ni Kristo mu, ebe Kristo na when one is saved, is always saved there. Why there? Bible na say. Ontwe ye mo ahwase. Okay, it's anything kind of Bible be bia me nku ni de. Kristo ni bi ahwase de o Bible ehu. Oh, the man. Mati. Enti Judas. Wo be che Christian so mase. Wan hwase. Judas wan hwase wan. Okay, you for the Judas, let me tell you Christian so hwase. Oye Mati. Acts chapter 5. Ananias and Sapphira. Wan hwase wan. Enti Ananias and Sapphira. Enti epele ekekere hene use Bible there. The book of heaven wan. Oboko wan. Heaven wa wo dia fokemo. Yakopon asem dia dance de se nipa ntwe no yo hwase. It's every day when Yesu wo Yakopon. Yembo mwazen de zablabo papa betina ase. Say the masem yi pa. Onam de nipa wa adwene bi de. Salvation no. Oye unmerited favor. Enti yamla hu na yenye ya dwe bia oyampa. Onam de minti se nipa no nyankwa otumo hwase na nkofa hwase wo gizi ban. Because onyim de obo be ye Kristo na ekono bo for the bosumia no boka heaven. Enti se obi ni ye wo hokwa lokafa na onsuro. Because obi nyankwaje. Se obi na ze the whole lokafa onsuro because onum de waje no kwada da do said na la oboka heaven. Modo for modo orazimu. The truth say the madri na wo wadwiri ma renew your mind. Sister wadwe ne sister. Na ede bo Yakopon na asante. Amebo amrepo ba ka salvation wasam. Idru ba ka ni hinala afro. Nti Yakopon asem zi hodase. Na Yakopon asem eye no kwa dampa. Hebrew otrofo no kwa nanyim. Ebo e Christopher no kokko. Ye na won hwe ye e wa hwase e ho. Hebrews chapter 2. No fa lusua e kakra e wo verse 1. Hebrews chapter 2 verse number 1. No fa lusua e kakra ho. Hebrew otrofo no bo mazin kwa nanyim na otu no efo are yi. Therefore, we must give the more earnest heed to the things we have heard, lest we drift away. Lest we drift away. Osi enye na ya jo Yakopon asebezi specifically no look at scattered Jews na no the Bible no. The only one wa jo Yakopon asebezi including in them na way ya jo Yakopon asebezi. Yemu ya hu mbosem ebo ahokikam. Ne yentwe ye ama ya hwase. Enti Christiansu mu no obi botu wa gbesu wa be Kristo na amparezi na aso obotum ne kwaja ye efinisa. If the person comes and denies the continuation, say ni pele be ye Kristo nu no po there the wasisi no be ye adwuma obotum no wahwe da monko no. Onti Yakopon asem eye no kwal. Enti onyo Paul another Hebrew church no ko nanyim na otu Christopher no fo ogbe ekristo no ekoko ewo abiri bebre mu de won hwe ye am wan hwe ase ewo. Hebrews chapter 4 verse number 1. Therefore, since a promise remains of entering his rest, let us fear lest any of you seem to have come short of it. And Hebrew chapter na asem hinan de dem ble ye ni eda anomba a ye behem esoro ho. Enti the man no ho ba no yembo ye ho mbasen na yemfosuro entinem the ampara yeboku yenim ma ebe ya yenkɔhwe ase ewo Onyankopɔn na nkɔgye no kwan no ho. Nti obi botu wo ahwe ase ewo Onyankopɔn no kwan no. Ɔno nti na Onyankopɔn ɛnam Hebrew church no do ɛkɔdo ɔtu ekristo fufo da memme yemfa Christian so ne yenya na yɛde kɔ heaven yemfa no da ɔyɛ trotro ba. Enti wa agbo wosu na anya dem akwan na anya obi no kra po kire de esu go kra na hu hia because baptism kra no osenso your work you be ebusia no your work you tell us ewo Yakopon na platform ya ya hye exam yi no hu edo ono nti o Yakopon asem eye no kwat ewo de mokon no edo. The end of verse 13 does not refer to the end of the world, but to the end of the Jewish war with Rome. And see, make why do not be seen there. Say yefa Matthew chapter 24, verse number 13. Matthew 24, verse number 13. Make why be seen there. The end no hono. Oh, me fan kama the end of the world na ye nyimu no. Wo Bible adusua mu no ye wo bibe for no word study. Na eba secular line na what I use the case study. Nti order in your word study. Nti word na ekoto wo ho no. Order in your reject na sua word ni ye. Nti them end no ho no on kasamfa wiase na wie yi ho. It was talking about Jerusalem destruction. Okasafa Jerusalem osay no eho. Jerusalem osay no na Yesu Kristo na da mabro no olka nimu asam. Na yemfa adesua kakra ewo Matthew 24 na yekan asam no. Verse number 13 no na yemfa adesua kakra ho. Verse number 13 no say, but he who endures to the end shall be saved. Nti obi a obotu mu atena se wa fa da ma hu ye hie mu bo ba kisi ewieye no obaje no nkwa mepoche da mi ewieye no no fan kehye wiaze na ewieye message okasa pa Jerusalem destruction ade ti okasa pa Jerusalem destruction because Jerusalem no ba be say no e Christopher na wo ho no won fo wo ho tototro e wo da ma ablo no enti wo ba fa da me ho no mu na da me ho no wo ba fa mu ni nti Yesu Kristo return there and one now wo to wait na am only Kristo no da mo nkofo no obenya nkwa enti on kasa mfa wiaze na wi no kasa for Jerusalem say na all can was no enti abla Peter all kasa e wo First Peter me no fa bisua e kaka wo First Peter chapter 4 me no chase e wo verse number 15 and then 17 na yemfa adusua ekekro First Peter chapter 4 na yemfa adusua ekekro verse number me no start verse number 15 na mezo akọ verse number 17 15 is it, but let none of you suffer as a murderer, a thief, an evildoer, as a busybody in other people's matter. That is verse 15. I say, remember you biara. Christo ni biara. Onti for ewo Yankopon n'enyim. Ewo ewudisam. De okezi ewunti. De okowi azinti. Ane de obi na asem de okọ ekejira m kekan. De bia oba ekoponseni, oba ebi o ya afa aba. Mama o mgbeda mizin no. Ewo eho bi abefam. Nti eho do abefam no. Onti de oye za eke ya zo onye de. Onye, that is Yakopon n'ehihye. Verse number 16. Yet if anyone suffers as a Christian, let him not be ashamed, but let him glorify God in this matter. Say obi ewa menzi do ye Kristo na. Memmenenwanton. Mama onfal. Na mu onchi Onyankopon animnya ewo dama amenu no ayi na we hu no Onyankopon asemi. Ite kire Christian so mu no. Amaniye wom, eho wom, enti membe biala nada wo de. Bla, no bla bo ye dama Christian sum. Ebe Christian sum ma, ebotu mo bla ba ye dama ewu da ko heaven. If only ewo bla papa. Enti me what the shit? The whole Paul. Bible only by there Paul no over infirmities be. Also ogbon pe. Asemo Yakopon ka chende. Yes. Madum do sumo. Madum odo sumo. Enti dame ya be edboko wu ampara Paul is ni dame ya be ya oyele. Ogbon pe yes Yakopon bo ko wu. Na se obi ba Christian suma oba na bra bo ba sese oba sese wa kondo. So oyo Yakopon ni pedo do sese oba sese. So oyo Yakopon ni pedo so da kwa edboko. Se ma Paul di see. Enti Paul ni kese mu no asema Paul na kese ken yes. When I am weak, I am strong. Paul na asema na kese ken because Onyankopon mu hu ni de epie ya ba na odo edboko wu. Enti Paul tu share ho kran de yes. Bra me yem blow no na me yesi. Na enwana we literature ni him there. Dem ke say a paradox. Na say yeka paradox na a statement that seems to be contradictory. But the end thereof there is a meaning for. It's a statement you better or absurd or you be or contradict. But ninti ase no nti ase papa she den ewu nti Paul look at there oil block no oil zero. In other words no physically no he was weak. Physically he was weak, but spiritually he was strong. Nti sunsun afọ mu no Paul ye den ba hunemu na ba hunemu ma emu de ona bro oil nti hunam na nkase no oil block dem na Paul look. Ondo na say in interpretation or pebe wa adwene Bible or contradict. Messi interpretation bi ala no for Bible or contradict no. Wo interpretation no ya papa. Nso de ko ne ko suan fofo na ehwe. Verse number 17. Melo kasafa. First Peter chapter 4 verse number 17. O say na melo kasafa wiase na wiyi na Matthew chapter 24 verse number 13 you see no. Messi on kasafa wiase na wiyi no. Kasafa Jerusalem destruction no. This is to the quotation here, into verse 17, last verse. For the time has come for judgment to begin at the house of God. And if it begins with us first, what will be the end of those who do not obey the gospel of God? And see, Bible say, believe the atemu besha sefe Onyankopon ni fie. Atemu no blade do be sha so Onyankopon ni fie. Na se o sha so Onyankopon ni fie, na so o ye zene dia na ho wechi wo aba atemu ha se moroka Jerusalem destruction. Adenti na Peter like na because Yesu Kristo akasa akere asomafo no including Peter the Jerusalem wo be say no. Enti so wo say Jerusalem a enti wo be sisi na yigude ehwe no munjeme. Enti dem nkofo no se dem nzeme be sisa o be hyase ewo ono Onyankopon ni fie ho ni fie ne ye ne nkofuru wo mu ni nkofuru wo mu ne se dem azini o hyase pe onam de what dem concept na asiniti obiala inu ho a obezifo obiala inu a na yakue ni mu no me da bokose ba be kire de abokose me kire de not single Christian ni ti himpo say no enti jufu beble ho wi but no Christian ni ti himpo say no the nipo okay ASBs yes or one of the elders oye historian so ezeka na yenko yenenim ekakra enti Bible is adanse da ampa Yesu Kristo eka da wiase na wiyi no da wiase na wiyi no o you see Matthew chapter 24 verse number 13 no okasafa Jerusalem o say no Nemo on kasamfa wiase a ɔda hɔ ɔbɛbɛ wiyi sedama dispensationless wo bo ho mbɔden na obotum na wa kyerɛ dɛ dɛm na ɔte the truth yes ɔnyɛ no kwa ɛwɔ Yakobon na asɛm ɛho na Yesu Kristo ɔkuru n'anyim ɛwɔ verse number 20 verse number 14 no so na yɛn hwedza verse number 14 no so ɛken yɛde why you treat Matthew chapter 24 nti ne kenkan na yɛgu dɛ yɛkenkan na ama yɛbɛ ebodu verse number 14 yes yɛpɛdɛ yɛ prove beyond reasonable doubt that Matthew chapter 24 nsɛnkyerɛdze na Yesu Kristo ɔka na wɔ hɔ no ɔkasa fa Jerusalem destruction ho Jerusalem ɔsɛ ho asɛm na ɔka na the minister ɔka no ni nara abem ekope no aka enti ne mu mbemu wa abamu no na yɛkyerɛkyerɛm yɛdze Yakobon asɛm toto na asɛm ho ma yɛde kyerɛkyerɛm because Yakobon asɛm ɛyɛ no kwa enti verse number 14 and this gospel of the kingdom will be preached in all the world as a witness to all the nations, and then the end will come. Also, no baka sampano, anyamano sampano, baka no wiase na ansana wiase na wi ba yɛn aba. Hello. Enyi nya yɛkɛ de ma asɛm pɛ. No obi ma ka aba de. Wiase sampano, Bible no so no ka sampano wo wiase na la ansana. And still, you ask them, wow, we're catchy, you ask for flat when it's still as a polo. Catch up one day, dispensation, I see. Oh, what? Bible is as a polo. I can go to your scene now. Catch one. Oh, no, no, I got you there. But I'm not kingdom over bar. When I know who to for, but I can over bar. Or send there, or your company say, or cast and put to your scene now. Said the mass and pain, what can do your I tell you, and I really is so better. But on Yakobon no yɛ call for nankasa akyerɛ dɛ dama asampa no waka no wiase na enti me be bia le quote dem quotation ni na on for support dɛ asampa no ondu wiase wi na la enti tu ondu wiase wi ani sana wiase ne sɛ ba enti as far as asampa no ondu wiase wi ni ɛsɛ ne otu mba mo do fa mo do wiase mu the truth which I been see there yes no ho Yesu Kristo wotu aba anytime because bibia la o kan fa Jerusalem say we be an wesi na the waka ina ye nemba ye obesa no bekeke nto on twa be bibi nsi bia bensa no aka de na ma je odo bensa na wa ba dabi enti zankofu ekan yi de ampara o da sempodu du wiase na wi na o se nda sempodu du ho Bible say we are asempodu du wiase wi na am no fa de ekra Romans chapter 1 verse number 8 ye fa de ekra Romans chapter 1 verse number 8 na yemfa adesua ekakra asema Paul actually Romans chapter 1 verse number 8 verse number 8 you see first I thank my God through Jesus Christ for you all that your faith is spoken of throughout the whole world. Hallelujah. Ebia oka your faith ninti o me hu na asem kro no le kan ho faith no ho no e gospel no faith no ho no e gospel no okay me improve mpa on should am wo penti o da mu ko me nu o da me quotation for be support there the master no we yakopon aka da asem no wo du wiase de wi na enti Paul say o di kan me da me yakopon ase e na be Yesu Kristo do then when it gets in no wa kan wo wiase na when it gets in no when asampa no wa kan wo wiase na wi na Paul kan enti asampa no Yesu Kristo kan wa asam e wo Matthew chapter 24 verse number 14 do preach wo wiase na wi na no Paul say wa kan wo wiase na wi na then world because Yesu Kristo kan say o picture no look no Matthew chapter 24 verse number 4 to 35 me for picture number in there me na we side o picture ni ye specific in zeme bi on ho group bi on ho won wasem no leka then world wasem no leka enti them 21st century ya be e me se me be fa for yezi mu o ka some 2000 plus years e wo ho enti Paul chill abi be si do da ampa Yesu Kristo do kan no the means some okay ni hinaro wabe. Yes, you could okay ni hinara wabe. Now no fa disua ekekra. E Colossians chapter 1 verse 23. Colossians chapter 1 verse 23. Asema onye Paul okuru ni nyim no okay because asema no lekano dot na naso wasanso abaka e wo ha with different idea. Colossians chapter 1 verse number 23. Asema onye Paul eken odiche ina anoma wo kolesi esumi. Chapter 1 verse number 23. 23 say, if indeed you continue in the faith, have a faith me. Say it's not as a penima. Tio, it's not as a penima. Grounded and steadfast, and are not moved away by the hope of the gospel which you heard. And say it's not the man as a penima. Nasa wabo man to. I want the man some pana at say no more. Which was preached to every creature under heaven. Which was preached to every creature under heaven. As a pana work like share, I wasn't hina a will seeing. As a pana work like share, I wasn't hina a will seeing. And the Bible is a dance there. Matthew chapter 24, verse number 14. No. Bible is with us there. The master wide we see. And the said that you preacher. Oh yeah, they preaching mum. Oh yeah, the papa they preach. No preaching they preach. Idea didn't shred there. You preach maybe arts and son. Yes, you go so about. Ah, yes, you go so that's the master which shred there. On the Paul address there, I tell you, no people want us and pano. Yes, you could send myself, or people want us and pano. What is my force? I don't know the art in Sana, as you could have. Oh, NJ1, I'm not fan to say, 2 Thessalonians chapter 1, verse number. I'm not just see, I was 7. The men for go 8 and 9. 2 Thessalonians. Yes, you could so not cast a no po. That obey more. We now queen ya our sampan. What was by force are there? Mighty 24 na kenti. Or that's a pono baby Alan Sana, yes, you could so about. And then the truth here to I be there. The master will put you to call Mighty 24 on it. Bible said the way see. Romans chapter 1, verse number 8. Colossians chapter 3, verse number 23. Oh, yeah, that's the way see. They say, oh, see ya, or contradict plain passage. Because that will carry there. Although we are all as the arts as a parent, yes, you could cause, yes, you could myself, or before who went. Yes, you could myself, who went. What is all what's in my force? Ah, they don't go for yes, you could. These are some of the interpretations, sir. Oh, my own one now. When should I the Bible into Mbapa? They always accuse Bible of inconsistency. Because interpretation, no, on the Bible, no, it's an independent church, because the people who ever was a crack. And so, your quotations may be on the Boma. In a king, on the non-co. What interpretation, but after now? Basic day. Interpretation be a ra ebema. No more contradict plain passage. Interpretation never. And the plain passage this day. Obey more far. When I'm not taken. Many remote. In many remote areas, I'm not taken. 2 Thessalonians chapter 1. Make a man shall say, oh, verse number 7. Now, Menowafa, verse number 8 and 9. Verse 7 is and to give you who are troubled rest with us, when the Lord Jesus is revealed from heaven with his mighty angels. And see, one now, obeying Quenya, oh, yes, Christo moon. And one hour, one hour of you put it there, because there's no you. Into the moon of Funo. Yes, you could so the day no easy, and an hour of Fena, obey a chaffa, a warner Christ nature. Verse number 8. 8 you see. In flaming fire, taking vengeance on those who do not know God, my friend. Those who do not know God, no, they do not know God at all. They do not know the stress where they do not know God. And the second one is what? and on those who do not obey the gospel of our Lord Jesus Christ. You will be more winning who it's a woman upon us and Biapo. You will be more, but one person penny year, you don't go for over 7. It's two categories of people Christ is going to judge them, and then finally they will be sent to hell. Two, and one now, when the more young one, and no one when more young one for us, my 2, 9, 2 pet, and one when him, and say, oh, one when him young or far, or be at it, or be a senior, or be at it, but near let you know. Bible, Yancy Belly into a fine Yuma, and to the mean pono, also in you. Now, so I find you. Oh, be when you young woman, actually, went to young woman was in the lap. For the bear 4 or 5 years ago, me call Tamale. Na Tamale be a chrono, a year, while a wallet. Na baby, a year cry, you could know. A corner year for that, you trazy. A corner year for that, ye need go fusio young woman as no. The may be no one in that. Also, that was the first time what's the teaching be. Yes, Tamala hiala, Tamala hiala, Tamala hiala, 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 Tamala hiala. Na one win him at Zim, a half side, western side. No, say in the Madusio or what, in the background or what, above there, Sanken ye ya. What do you mean by trying to what like ya in church? You can was on because. Say a Christian church na wife in a book na ka ebi da wa e ko mo minyimze ABS Sierra na side aba but previously until them marking a people kibisa kambling gana ha some na make you gana hala na ye gana keke west na some na make and west keke e kwa zim side wanna make e ko wa a hallow no so kwampo no oyes in there ezo yakopon as made eboko to you the helpani in the Arab countries no munia ezo yakopon as no le kono enti me ye wadwen no there asempo no okokudu wiade we yin na ansa na Yesu kuso aba enti asempo no kudu be bi ala enti ti bi eti mo onye na eboko da tenem ye tufu there sese wadwen Yesu kuso no asem se he's coming with clouds and every eye will see him. Also, no, no, so soon about the new Revelation chapter 1, verse number 7. We shall all appear before the judgment seat of Jesus Christ, and each one is going to render unto him whatever he has done, whether good or evil. The young people of Christ attend my winning. The new baby, Bobo Conta, a po, Bono. Only see no him, I say, no Calamino. Yes, oh, Yakopan answered, yes, ye, Juma. No, to Wabwa. Emina wo ene enyam so ne kanako oni ti Yesu Kristo ebotwa abi besi do da mpara okal de asampa no okọ wiaze ne wi nyina Bible ni ziwoda se da asampa no wakọ wiaze ne wi nyina la ichimji biara enyi ho ewo Yakopon na asam ho onu no kwere mi no yehwe yehu yi ewo Yakopon na asam ho enti AD 62 na Paul bo confirm da mpa wana asampa na wokan ni wiazi na interpret yekede o de be o de issue contest because Paul abla orkesa Yesu kuso orkesa no okesa e wo Jerusalem destruction ho Paul leka e wo dan world o nkesa mfa wiazi na the mablo no nyu ho the mablo wiazi o ho no asem no leka into the mablo wiazi o ho asem no Bible ni kire there the ma o ho ni na no Yakopon asem dru ho into memfa mention de na nkede obi wo bia de be oti de onti nti odo ti nsana Yesu Kristo de beneti na be no the interpretation na obi interpretation no kwa exam wankasa no ogbo yekwede nim ekakra e was a use no ehu the presence of abomination of dissolution will be the immediate sight that would signal the destruction of Jerusalem. So Matthew chapter 24 verse 15 asema Yesu Kristo eken efa abomination of dissolution verse 15 what say Therefore, when you see the abomination of dissolution spoken by Daniel the prophet, standing in the holy place, whoever reads, let him understand. Also, nese wuhu the abomination no dissolution no, so we see ɛwɔ hɔ ɛma nkɔfo no gyinagyina hɔ a nti abomination of dissolution for ɔde hu dɛ nyimpa ho asɛm no wɔka because also gyinagyina hɔ nti ɔntumi mmɛyɛ personification ɔyɛ ndzɛmba a wɔde esi hɔ na wɔde personify ayɛ nipa ɔyɛ nipa ho asɛm na ɔreka na yɛbɛyɛ ne ehu dɛ nipa ho asɛm na ɔreka yɛnkɔ yɛ nim yɛnkɔ yɛ Luke kɛ no yɛnkɔ mo support the point yi a na yɛakɔ yɛ na aka kyerɛ dɛ Luke chapter 21, Mark chapter 13, Matthew chapter 24 ni na yɛ asɛm na ɔreka nti wɔbla Matthew ne recording no ɔyɛ na ɔte abomination dissolution ɛbɛhyɛ hɔ a ebia ankanhwa a ɔbɔtumi a confuse no Luke yade because Luke obechiem because Luke the book no maybe odo nezi odo kwe no nti otumi bechiem yie emma se ehwe abomination of dissolution na wan kese ehu ihie na wan kese new interpretation dia be show medical catch Bible na so self explanatory because ekwa ka mu interpretation so might you have consider kinkan in the interpretation and here like che bi ni do ho but on them there Luke so be kese for when it ehwe ze Luke no eken Luke chapter 21 na emfa adusua ekeka ho Luke 21 verse number 20 na emfa adusua ekeka ho Luke 21 verse number 20 na say and as then those who are in Judea 21 sorry Luke 21 verse 20 verse number 20 na say but when you see Jerusalem surrounded by armies, then know that its dissolution is near. And to say with the Jerusalem, as so that for what can we share, and then we never say now why that we do. And the abomination of dissolution, no, or cast order for Roman abandon or Roman for better or say honor. And the mature you see there, see you or chassis in Kakanga crap. Na on the normal Bible and so do be oye de no ye ni jesu ewu de Yesu Kristo alekasa no o si in those days me what you argue me say those days no ho no o kasa fa Jerusalem destruction no na since so you see those ni plural enti ehwe enwon na wo ye brofo na ebe wo de wa me atase de this ninyere this oyenuano ni na actually as no near obiano this is a book and actually book no eden obiano these are books actually books no obiano ni na ya zuko and those no ninyere that actually as no owechiri kakra and those ni ya do ebebele and that the yawa it's a bono oma distinction of work clear into actually verse number 4, Matthew 24, verse number 4. Equally verse number 35 now. 35 now. Or I use those days. But over transition, verse number 36 that day and hour, that day. So specific word, day. Into that day because of one day. And those days because of this what prepare or that say listen na anti kakaka it's to listen me na prepare we say no so you follow Bible call one round MOC I said we start there work for one plan now what by how we more to one sack we say one plan it's a place you say no asam chere there say you there as you na abo ho na pro wa baby I want mention here mention mba it's a chere in class there so that class man ko be yala o do ko no na so pro what there into those days no begin ho mma wiaze no Jerusalem say na wo abese no nti mo yanko na sem the earth wa use do the Bible na be use abomination of dissolution na the abomination of dissolution okasa for Roman abano no Roman fu na wo be there wo abese Jerusalem no na ye bo hwe sentira na oye abomination no Yebo he say ntira oye abomination no. Na yesi ndez na abewie yi. Yakopon mo he na the sender ne abeso do. Yebo he say ntira oye abomination no. Mo you what you for one temple no. And you be all right no to go temple no way. Na enye abobiala na odi ko temple mu odi ko ba fa no. Na onam da oye abomination nti. Za onti den ko funu ye no, Roman funu be no, obe na obe be ye. Yenhwe adise kakra owo. The parallel passage in Luke, on the Akin. The shields and flags of the Roman soldiers had images of eagles and of the Roman emperor on them. And to say, Efa Rome, one of flags so we use now. A bit of water draw. A quadrier, a womb, eagle. Water draw, a quadrier, a womb. Now on your son put in a water draw. When it shade do so, need no water draw. It's a for and we use now, Cassano. Water the means of any now. Now the means of water drawn woman, I emblem. Ah, what for some woman for Nancasa was from the Mazon. And see, Abla, the man as a see. And with the Exodus chapter 20, no. Oh, you put this kind of back or Chabos. Mamma was soon be a Exodus chapter 20, verse number 35. No. And see, Aboko Savage day, Josephus, medical catcher, the man was a very good historian. And to say, in the book, Libya, quite a coffee should be, no, or a booker of Wapa, a war. Aboko Sam Emu. And see, Josephus, that's more back. Josephus describes what happened soon after Jerusalem fell. And see, those see, Jerusalem, I shall see Emu. Jerusalem has no, in the more head or called Ewo. And now the Romans, upon the burning of the whole house itself, and to Rome for Jerusalem, in Tampa, the general books do 14 what they count the Ifi, Levi, as of a museum, if you do the museum, the books in our show. Now, oh, Yakupa Nasamian, because Yakupa Nasam Macade, baby Baba, 1K Israel so cool you. Yes. Oh, Yakupa Nasam A and a call. I was Jeremiah chapter 31, verse number 33 to 36. No, or see, Israel who began the way or Manusonko. Obey Nature, a couple of BJ I in there. The me books now no roof you walk because books no what tell me off book now. Who would they owl if we error museum? And see, I want to go to the way I suffer. I will if we do that a museum and say, I want to go to where I am for in that order. And to say, the book for the mention name for what it's like who in there the way your man. Now, I walk a the answer there. The book singing now. Abra Rome, go to Jerusalem for the salon, or should the book singing now. And see, you say for sir, or ye Jew, Nimapa, no ye historian, no, not some more baby cane. Only see, Manu ye, there's a baby, ever, and there's no ever. And see, you say for us, equanimity, not a chip, a ye, and what am I as no home. Or see, all the buildings around it brought their shells to the temple and set them over against its eastern gate. There they did offer sacrifice to them. And see, what about the men in Shemuno? The same for see. And one of the men temple, or clock back for dear. And see the man for dear, or ye chew that for dear for the head, walk away because after the one, oh, when all right over for Leah, so for nothing. And then go feel by ya, who to the Savior, or walk back for all. It's a prophecy. Abomination of what? Dissolution. Into abomination, ever do for then ye do need to my hand temple and tell you your support, and to Sabo for support. It's Josephus, and describe them as saying, Na iya the jar, Nashe, Wars of the Jews, Wars of the Jews, the book in Wars of the Jews, book 6, book 6, chapter 6, book 6, chapter 6, about you like the booking. We are coupon the moment, I see. We are coupon and come home. They etum na and yana bum issue. Yame boy hena, the Sunday, the best see I was all. See, you do best number 15. Only yes, so wasn't a call YouTube, not subscribe. Ama Odru where I'm going next week, or 2 will notify you. You hear about me, and I'm pretty sure. Want to learn more. Oh, Christmas. Amen. This is be safe. I be Mesa.